Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. State government releases Rs 44 crore for 4 months' salaries today. Social activist Angela Rangat to contest 2023 from South Shillong, Laban. NGOs start picketing at MEECL office in Garo Hills. And dim future for students in South Garo Hills for lack of teaching faculties. And now the news in detail. After the intervention of the state governor Satyapal Malik on the grievances of the SSA teachers, the high-level committee in a meeting presided over by Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong has decided to release immediately an amount of Rs 44 crore for the payment of salaries by July 27 for a period of 4 months. The remaining 1 month's salary will be paid when the fund comes from the Government of India. The government urged the agitating teachers to withdraw their agitation immediately.
Study campaign na daw siya kanang kumopi kindon ki recommendation ki makikin ay siya na kamanta ka quality education na kamanta ki preventive ki ba leksi ekonomika kita ba kunjung na kamanta uno panang pendidikan yang ng school de kamanta nilaya nila ay ekonomika yung official communication siya ki Hakawide at kanila salary, but nagkarpato yaki ba all of no even agitation joki.
In a lightning surprise, renowned social activist Mrs. Angela Rangat and a religious leader Reverend Pastor Kersoybor Pirto of the KGP Synod have announced that they will be contesting in the coming 2023 state elections as independent candidates. In a joint statement made from their office chamber, Hari Sabha Laban, Mrs. Angela Rangat will contest from South Shillong constituency, formerly known as Laban, while Reverend Pastor Pirto is contesting from North Shillong constituency, Maukhar.
Ngingim kwa bandon benta. Namar ba kabangi kwa banong bangin plela yangi kum kinong song snong. Banyak hun hakanong rim jokahok. Nadu pasdang hi kati bende hakanong rim jokahok. But nget yang bakum ki independent candidate ngingim kwa bagi constituents jongi kinsha te kinsha khum but de na kata kadaw bangingi de kita ki independent candidate nama nabas dang hi ngim kwa ba mano kin khang sbak ya ksintur ke jongi na kin te amraw yangi habang ya khun na banta parba nama ladaki khang yangi ban kran kamot patla kani no ya kasur jong pai baru kade ka niru ka nongrim ka bangi yeng kum ki independent candidate ngitip ba kum ki independent candidate ni la asisha ban pat ya kata-kata raju ban pet shanu kano ban hangi hi in pet bakano sha upai ba paski jingdon kam jong upai ba.
The first day of office picketing by various organizations against the Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited MEECL departments has ended successfully and will continue further, said Saldrang Tengrik R. Marak, GSU President. The demands of the NGOs are to place sufficient manpower for maintenance duty, to provide uninterrupted power supply in Garo Hills, to stop the discriminatory style of functioning while recruitment and transferring of employees. Presently, many employees of Class 3 and 4 from Garo Hills are transferred to Khasi Hills, yet not a single from Khasi Hills are posted in Garo Hills. According to the leaders of NGOs in the year 2020 and 2021, much recruitment are done in Khasi Hills without a single candidate from Garo Hills. There is not a single employee from Garo Hills is posted in Shillong head office of MEECL.
Ya karenang ko na meeting kung iwatsinak da singa diman ka anirang ko dakaha di ba singni power minister mamuni ke ba kena sakja uni gaman singa ya jani chise tarik ko singa foster campaign ko aba singa ten ba da alo singa ya office picketing ko salgini na singa aba singiya.
The students of Dambuk Aga Government LP School in Bakmara, South Garo Hills and other schools have been experiencing difficulties due to lack of adequate teaching faculties. According to a source, students of the area have been facing difficulties for more than 3 years. The source further added that contractual teachers were early appointed in their positions after permanent teachers of the schools have retired. Now more than 10,000 teachers have been removed from their posts which they have been teaching on a contractual basis for more than 10 years but have failed to pass the Meghalaya Teacher Eligibility Test (MTET). And for those who passed the MTET, the recruitment process had not yet begun, causing problems for the students. As a result, residents of the area have requested the government and concerned departments to look into the matter seriously.
Ya dambuka government model LP school ajalgani kogri teacher dongjani oltode contract juwarangko bonatani asel dongjaha ne anga agana namna kencam tao government no molani de khasa pai ya dambuka government model LP school laba teacher angko atat china molenga maina chinga retired wani jamano sakani teacher anga retired waha oni jamano de teacher dauna kengkengba dongja ajargani kogri belsi bo nang plongba teacher saksa ko atat takon neksona kata manjainga oni gemen government no molenga khasa pai.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.